Welcome back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher. You're inside the stitchery and I have exciting news. So today starts the beginning of the OPhire Memorial Day sale and oh my goodness, it's so exciting. It is 10% off everything site-wide. That's right, everything. And if you've never heard of OPhire, OPhire is a wonderful company that is started by Ashley. All their crochet hooks are handmade and they are gorgeous. Beautiful ergonomic hooks. If you want to know everything, and I do mean everything, there is to know about OPhire, I made a video all about it last time they had a sale. I also made another video about the 5 favorite things I think you should get from their store. Right there. So this video is going to be short and sweet because I made 2 other videos that are very thorough. 10% off site-wide. Bobbins, bowls, stands, hooks, you name it. Everything in their store is 10% off. Now, if you're going to purchase from them, it would be very kind of you if you would use my link down below. It does help me, which helps the channel, which helps me do more things like, oh, I don't know, giveaways, contests, random acts of kindness, you know, just whatever I feel like. But it does help me, it helps the channel, and I would greatly appreciate it. So this is their Memorial Day sale. It goes from May 24th to May 27th, and 10% off, guys. The whole store. You might want to take advantage of it. And if you need any more information, those 2 videos I will link down below. They should give you all you need to know. So, use my link, 10% off, and happy shopping. Remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too. Bye!